Yeah, good day everyone. Mazezoka here once more. I'm just here, having just relaxing, thinking about again how trapped we are in Nigeria. How trapped we are in Nigeria. Most times these are things that occupy my mind. How do we free ourselves? Freeing ourselves is not that easy as some people might make it to look like, because whatever you propose, people will misconstrue that to be that you're calling for war. Now, in doing that, I just saw this picture. You can see that picture here. These pictures are really, 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 it's amazing to say. You know why I said these pictures are amazing? Because Nigeria has broken a record again. Record. For the first time in the history of the world, a well shore and the people ate the meat. Took away everything, only carcass remaining within 24 hours. See it here. People were taking pictures. Do you know the funny one? Someone basically, went home, got a chainsaw, petrol chainsaw, and just did this. Wow. Is it not as a result of this next level? Why do you think this is happening? This is abnormal. Where things are normal, the normal thing would have been probably to help the world to get back in the sea. This happened in Bayelsa State. But this here, no one is talking about helping the world to get back to the sea when people are hungry. The world will be looking at that saying, wow, which nation does this? It's Nigeria. Nigeria does it, and Nigeria does it to eat people. A nation where dogs eat dogs. So if dog eat dogs in this nation now, and man sees well, do you think man would let the world go? This is what is actually happening. It is sad somehow, because I am a conservationist, or rather I can say that. I become an advocate that we should conserve nature, and starting from what our ancestors did in terms of their crafts, which some of you in various times have argued that they constitute ancestral curses, which I think is pure madness. My ancestors were so smart and so wonderful that nothing they did, they understood these things better. So, and they knew how to conserve nature, not to destroy them. But in this case, I hope this well here, the way the people have taken the meat, I hope is not going to cause any epidemic. Because obviously we don't know why that well washed ashore. Was the well dead at the point of washing ashore? Or was it already, I don't know. So hopefully nothing tragic killed that well in order to, before the well washed ashore and people feasting on it. Again, we have broken record, and the record is very simple. We are the first nation on earth to finish a whole well in the world. Congrats, Nigerians. Hunger don't dey wire people. Now, because of hunger now, how this thing for happen? Now, hunger now. Hunger just wire people, and every sense of reasoning goes out of the window. Do you blame the people? Yeah. We're all known for stuff. So again, this happened in Bayelsa State. Just a minor update. I'm here enjoying the sun and thinking, okay, what do I do? I saw this. I said, well, let me just put my thoughts Again, Nigeria keep, you know, random thoughts that come into me, that come into my mind. Sometimes I think something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong somewhere. Another one I saw is the comment by Professor Yemi Osinbajo, the Vice President, saying that if some of you calling for breakup of Nigeria, if Nigeria breaks, none of those countries can stand on their own. I said, what an utter nonsense! What a stupid comment from the Vice President. Do you know how how big Luxembourg is? Yeah? Very tiny. Do you know how big Singapore is? Singapore is not up to Anambra State, one of the smallest states in Nigeria, right? Yet Singapore is about 5 million and one of the best countries in the world. I think actually our size and our, it's one of the things that impedes us from developing. But what can you do? I think it's time we begin to look at smarter ways that we can dismember that union, that marriage that does not work. Then we have to do that. Once more, this is Mazes, okay? Enjoy your day.